Hey guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. So today we are supporting a black business. It's called VANTE'S Kitchen. I will put all the information in the description box, and I'm so excited. Like, y'all, this food looks amazing. Let me give y'all a little run down really quick. So we got some macaroni, we got some Cajun cabbage, we got some jerk, barbecue chicken, and some red beans and rice under there. So I'm so excited to try this. It looks so good. I got my MarasJunkDrawer shirt on. That's my other channel, if you didn't know. I also got some lemonade, raspberry lemonade. I don't know. Raspberry, I don't know. So when people say, like, you know, they got their t-shirt on or they got something, why do they call it a shameless plug? Like, you should want to rep yourself, right? Can you guys see me okay? I hope so. So it's been a while. I missed you guys so much. So much. I missed you guys. I've been MIA for like 2 weeks now. And I missed you guys. So what should we start with first? I'm so hungry. Let's start with some of this cabbage. Ooh, that cabbage is a little bit on the spicy side. You know, I love me mac and cheese. That's one of my favorite foods. One of my favorite sides. Y'all know I have trouble trying to get stuff to focus. Bomb. I have not ate all day. All day. Oh, I need to tie my hair back. That's what she said. Okay, let's taste this chicken. Have you guys had jerk chicken before? I feel like it's about to get all over me. There we go. Bomb. Bomb. Ziggity bomb. You know, I've only had red beans and rice from Popeyes. So underneath the chicken, like on the menu, it said every plate comes with, ooh, it's hot. Woo. There's so many spices going on. Damn. Ooh. It is so many spices going on in this. Like so many. But from the cabbage to the red beans and rice. Like, I feel like I'm in Jamaica or New Orleans. My mouth is on a journey right now. Jeez. Yeah, my palate wasn't ready. It was not ready at all. I wonder how my husband is down there feeling, because him and Spice don't really get along too well. But let me just chill. This mac and cheese, boom. Bomb. I want to get into those red beans and rice, but it's hot. Like temperature hot. So within the 2 weeks that I've been away from you guys, my Etsy shop has always been open, but the only thing that I had posted on my Etsy shop was, hold on, excuse me, my 30-day self-love devotion. And recently, I have put my wine glasses on my Etsy shop, I have other collections coming out, but right now I have the Black Girl Magic wine glass collection, and it's 7 different cups in 7 different brown skin shades. So it's like black, espresso, coffee, vanilla latte, caramel, and mocha. So just to, you know, 7 different shades to represent Black lives and empowering quotes. Like this one says Black Girl Magic. I have one that says phenomenally black. I have Melanin Poppin', Black Queen, the Black Fist with a crown on it, and Black Lives Matter. So I would appreciate it if you guys go check it out on my Etsy shop. I'll put the information in the description. And I've been appreciating all the support that I have gotten with my classes so far. Like, deeply appreciate it. I have another collection coming out soon that I just started on. So that's where I've been, what I've been up to the past 2 weeks since I've been away from you guys. And I want to say thank you to all the people who have been supporting this channel. I appreciate it so much. I'm gonna need some water because, and he gives you a lot of food. A lot of food. I feel like I'm getting my shirt dirty. We're 12 minutes in and my leg is falling asleep, y'all already know. 1 second. All right. I don't know why I'm so like burpy. Y'all, these red beans and rice is good, but I can't enjoy it because it's spicy, like mad spicy.
I ain't gonna know if I got COVID or not.
Why?
Cause this shit making my nose running.
You finished it? You finished it? It wasn't spicy to you?
My nose is running.
Did you like the chicken?
Yep.
My favorite is the macaroni.
Huh?
The chicken and the macaroni.
Yeah, macaroni was...
You didn't like the macaroni?
Huh?
You didn't like the macaroni?
It was good. It just tastes like crabs. Thought it was gonna be like that Thanksgiving type of macaroni. That shit is spicy.
The cabbage. It was the cabbage.
That's probably what it was. But then when you taste the cabbage, after you taste the cabbage, it tastes like the cabbage brings out the spice and everything out of the chicken.
Yeah. Once you eat the cabbage, that's a wrap. So, I probably should have waited. That's the first thing I ate.
Cabbage. First thing I ate was mac and cheese.
Yeah, and I waited so long to eat all day. I had intentions on eating a small breakfast because I knew that we were going to be eating from somewhere. But the places that we were going to be eating from open late, so I had intentions on making a small breakfast. But then I got up, did my makeup, and then I went to the grocery store, and by that time I didn't want to eat too much because then I wouldn't have been hungry for this mukbang. But then, you know how you wait too long to eat, and then, ow, I have a cut on my finger. Y'all, it's spicy and I'm getting full. You know how you wait all day to eat, and then you eat, and you're eating too fast, and then I need to go wash my hands. It's driving me crazy. So yeah, I'm not gonna be able to eat the rest of this because till later. Can't give it to my kids because it's too spicy. Excuse me. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you've made it this far, I appreciate it. Thank you for, like I said in the beginning, supporting this channel. I forget what I was going to say. Don't forget to go check out my Etsy shop if you're interested in my Black Girl Magic wine glasses. And I do have another collection coming soon, so be on the lookout for that. My Instagram is MarasJunkDrawer. I also have a food Instagram, you guys, called Marasjunkfood. If I remember, I'll put all of this in the description box. And then if you like to see more like personal videos, I do have a another YouTube channel called MarasJunkDrawer. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you soon in my next.